How to redeem codes in Knives Out. So if you want to redeem codes in Knives Out, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then follow the steps. So to redeem in the game, you need to enter the game. After entering the game, the player clicks on the avatar in the upper left corner to enter the personal information page. And then you need to click on the settings page. You'll find all of these related topics. So you need to click on redemption code, and then you need to enter the above redemption code to receive the corresponding award. But if you're using the official website, you need to enter the official website of Knives Out and scroll down to find the gift package CDK redemption and click on enter the redemption interface. Then enter the user ID, server, user nickname, and redemption code of your game account in the corresponding blank spaces. Click confirm redemption to successfully redeem the game awards. So that's how you can redeem codes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.